Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the W045 Spindle Moulder. Sitting in the middle of our range between hobby and trade options, this spindle moulder offers a very versatile package. It has a powerful 1500 watt induction motor with 4 different speed options. The 13mm spindle accepts all kinds of tooling up to a maximum of 150mm diameter and has a vertical stroke of 110mm. The spindle height can be accurately adjusted using a large handwheel and locked in place at the desired height. The current height can be read off a scale marked in both metric and imperial. A spindle rotation lock can be engaged when changing the tooling. The top spindle is removable and can be replaced with a routing spindle. Collets are included for using 1/4 and 1/2 inch diameter shank cutters. 2 insert rings are also provided to reduce the aperture size when working with smaller diameter tooling or router bits. There are 4 speed options that are adjusted using a simple belt change. 1400 RPM for drum sanding, 4000 RPM for moulding in hardwood, 6000 RPM for moulding in softwood, and 8000 RPM for routing. There is a digital readout display the current speed setting. The option to run the spindle in reverse and feed the timber through in the opposite direction allows cutter blocks to be installed upside down, giving additional profiles from existing tooling. The cutter block hood is made of cast iron. The 2 aluminium fences mounted to the hood are adjustable left and right. Both fences are also adjustable forwards to allow the workpiece to be fully supported, even when the complete face is being removed. The fence can be set behind the centre line of the spindle and up to 75mm in front of the spindle. The top hood hinges up to allow quick access when changing tooling. An adjustable plastic pressure pad holds the workpiece down against the table. When edge moulding or working with smaller pieces, a metal plate holds the workpiece up against the fence and doubles as a safety guard. The bottom of the table aperture is sealed to prevent dust from getting into the internal workings of the machine. A 100mm dust extraction outlet sits at the back of the hood to provide efficient dust and chip extraction. The large sliding table can be used for panel work or cutting tenons. It slides smoothly on bearings and has a fence at one end. The fence can be adjusted 60 degrees each way for cutting mitred pieces. There's also a work clamp which operates by a lever. When the sliding carriage is not required, the fence can be quickly removed and the table locked in the stationary position.